Debs and family, and I was googling to try and find a recipe for using the most of my pumpkin. This time of year, I know everybody loves pumpkin carving, but I like it because I can actually buy a pumpkin, which I usually take out the seeds and the insides and generally throw them away, and then I roast the insides, the flesh itself, and I use that in cooking, different things like muffins, all sorts of things. But I was googling because I wanted to find a recipe that used some of the guts, so to speak. And I'm not going to tell you the actual recipe because I want to link to the recipe that I found, and that's in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe while you're looking there. But I just thought it was brilliant that this lady has found or created a recipe for using up pumpkin guts. We're not going to use nuts because we're a nut-free family, but the recipe can have pecans in. So have a look in the description to find the original recipe, and then continue watching this video to see our version of it.